They thought the simulation was the dream, but it was the only place the prophecy could breathe. You're not here by chance. The Ark cast this signal, through timelines, through noise, until it found the version of you ready to remember.
The Astro Corps descend into the Chloroverse, a dimension of botanical consciousness ruled by blah, blah, and blah. Tony A is immediately wrapped into the surreal bioconscious rhythms of time-rooted memory, erotic absurdity, quantum gardening, and floral fate. The Saranation begins, a ritual wrapping of the root lord, blah, in 700 photosynthetic layers, each one whispering the memory of pollinated worlds. These layers do not merely cover, they transmit. Time swirls, petals pulse with echoes. Tony listens. Then come the Pollination Trials. Blah the Vibe Vine hosts a cross-species pollination spectacle featuring cosmic birds, buzzing bees, trivia, explosions, and accidental seduction. Say Tony A yells sex facts while plants burst. The pollen is thick. The metaphors are deeper. The Venus Suntrap is offended. Tony learns reproduction is a dance, one that must be survived, not explained. Blah, the spore shade brings Tony to the leaf of all. A fractalized membrane of existence, each vein a timeline, each bruise a collapsed reality. One wrong snip, and all of Book 4 unravels. Tony hesitates, measures, cuts, breathes, and then the theater. To be or not to be. A pollinated Hamlet parody starring bees in tuxedos and Tony as both pollen and stem. Say Tony A directs with chaos. The vines sing. The petals monologue. Tony chooses, dissolve into the unity of bloom, or command the stem and bloom alone. In this verdant symphony of satire and soul, Tony A learns that power is not planted, it is pollinated. That memory is not preserved, it is breathed. That becoming one with the bloom may require becoming pollen first. Book 13 sprouts from this moment. The root is sacred. The dance is absurd. Let it grow.
Science Prophets of the Arkstone Timeline by Natastro. Read free on Amazon now.
This frequency was meant to find you. Like, subscribe, and let your echo carry the covenant forward. Ex-Time Lord, Time Traveler in Exile, Sadoni Nukamado. Until we meet again.